We spent 21 days in India traveling to 10 different cities by car, plane, train, boat, and rickshaw. India is a most amazing place for sights, sounds, fascinating religious ceremonies, and wildlife safaris. Highlights included visiting the Taj Mahal, tiger safaris in 2 national parks, the Sikh Golden Temple, the Beatles Ashram, the sacred Ganges River, and I can't leave off the yummy food. We also enjoyed shopping and people watching in Delhi's Old Market and various markets in other cities. We were treated royally by our guides and drivers in each city. The people we met were kind and welcoming. Enjoy each episode.
So public school is free, the midday meal is free, and our government gives special cards to them. They can go to any hospital, public hospital is free for all. Mecca is in western direction from India. So from India, we always pray towards west. It's a water for purification. Before prayer, they have to wash their hands and feet, and then they're allowed to pray.
So why do women pray there?
It's a way to make money. You can see a nice gate with the doors, but in these days after independence all people are equal, so anyone can live in any place.
Do they sell some individually too?
Come. Here we are in a rickshaw.
Ready to go for a ride.
Black cardamom, green cardamom, black pepper. There are some different qualities of green cardamom, cloves, black pepper.
So what are these?
Salt. Black salt, pink salt, white salt, salt. The market is very beautiful, very chaotic.
Hey, we're eating a samosa from the street. A potato samosa. How are they?
I love it. Very spicy.
That's where he got them from. Old Famous.
January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by a Hindu extremist. And next day our government chose that place for cremation because that's a bank of a river, Yamuna. Every day we have fresh flower decoration in memory of Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma, that's a name, no? It's not a name. That's a title. Generally we use that title for the religious people, and it's a Sanskrit word.
The black marble there is the location where Mahatma Gandhi was cremated.
And Atma means a soul. It's a great soul.
And then his ashes were taken to the river behind us and scattered in the river. Here's a sculpture of Mahatma Gandhi, and down below on this monument it says, "Be the change you wish to see."
That one is 1565 to 1572. Taj Mahal in 1631.
But they're built by different designs are
Different,
but they're similar.
similar.
Because
Because
this is smaller, you said.
yes, once while reading book he fell down from deep steps, and he got major injury in his brain, and after 15 days he was passed away. So first 7 years he was buried in Old Fort, and after construction of Humayun stone, his body shipped to final destination.
That's
So
his
there's a
origin.
nice ventilation for the fort side. Each level they have windows for the sunlight, natural cooling, and the first double dome architecture. That's a replica of Humayun, second emperor of Mughal dynasty.
Okay.
So why I said replica? Because originally they are buried in ground, and they always like that from north to south, like this.
Yeah.
But according to Islam, body always face towards Mecca, and Mecca is from western direction from India. In that screen you can see another arch. That's the
Yeah.
direction towards Mecca.
Uh-huh.
So that body is like that.
Stop. It's like take
What do we have here, dearie?
This is somebody's garden too. I don't know.
Isa Khan's tomb. What a beautiful structure. This way.
This is the iron pillar from the 4th century, and they figured out something in the 4th century that no one knows what they did, but it doesn't rust, it doesn't oxidize.
Oh, it's another nice
look at
picture
it.
of the client.
Oh yeah.
Pretty amazing tower.
So this area was a Hindu temple with 27 different temples in the perimeter where the arches are. In 1192, the Muslim conquerors converted it to a Muslim mosque, and they made all the other levels going up this minaret. It's called a minar, but it's a minaret, and have Muslim decorations on it.
As part of taking over this complex, the Muslims removed all the faces from the Hindu characters that were chiseled in the stone complex here.
Basically, Hinduism is not a religion. If we talk about the rest of the religion in that world, or the different principles, most of the religion have a founder or a specific date. But in Hinduism, there is no founder. There is no specific date who found that religion, and it is century. Our religious teachers, they create 3 different figures, 3 different energies. First is Brahma, as a creator divinity. He is responsible to create that universe. Then the second principal god is Vishnu, preservator. He is responsible to preserve that universe. And Lord Vishnu had 10 incarnations. Rama, Krishna, Varaha, Parshurama. Buddha was the last incarnation, 9th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. And according to our holy book, 10th incarnation will happen in 21st century. So now we are waiting for the last one. The third divinity is Shiva, destroyer and recreator for the maintenance of universe. So these are 3 principal god and goddess in Hinduism. After that we have many incarnations to preserve that universe. Lots of different figures of energy and all. But basic principle of Hinduism is respect to nature and pass your life.